Hello class, good morning. Hope you all doing well. The book from which the paper will be based for your examination is being finalized from the council, and that is CIT by Kriti Prakashan. But you people don't have to buy this book because I am going to send all the PDF of the respective chapters as well as notes, so don't worry about buying the book at all. The book you are having is enough for information. Everything else required for the examination purpose will be provided. With this note, let's continue with where we left in the previous video. The topic with which we are going to start the video today is how to protect your computer against viruses. For this, all you have to do is install a good antivirus software on your computer, update the antivirus regularly, avoid downloading programs from unknown sites, always scan your CDs, flash drive before using them, and don't use pirated software. Some popular antivirus are Norton Antivirus, Quick Heal Antivirus, etc. Let's know about Quick Heal Antivirus in short. It is Indian antivirus software and IT security services company headquartered in Pune, India. It protects computer from internet attacks and online theft, etc. Coming to the next topic from this chapter, that is scanning and removing viruses. For scanning and removing viruses, you should follow some steps. Initiate virus scan by opening the Quick Heal Antivirus main window. Then select the scan option. The following screen will appear, and select the scan task from the list and click on the scan option. The scan progress dialog box reports on the status of the scan. Quick Heal Antivirus also repairs the infected programs. This information will appear in the summary report, or you can open Repair Wizard. Next topic, that is Repair Wizard. This tells about the ways to remove the virus from the computer. Number 1 is repair. It do the task of eliminating and repairing the infected file. Number 2 is delete. This will erase both the virus and the infected file. Now number 3 is quarantine. Files are do not being detected by you will automatically be detected by Quick Heal, and that infected file will be transferred in quarantine mode, hence stopping the virus to spread. The last topic is updating virus definition. Quick Heal can detect the newly created virus daily only if the database will be updated regularly. To update, all you need the internet connectivity, and then click on the update button from the main window of Quick Heal, and last click on next button and follow the coming instructions on the screen. After reinstalling, the virus will be automatically being detected. So class, with this we have completed the chapter and hope you all have understood it well. I will share all the related question and answers of this chapter as well as PDF of entire chapter. Till then, keep reviewing the video to understand it more thoroughly. Thank you. Take care of you.